Vinegar and dish soap are two very good products on their own that do a great job of handling a variety of cleaning tasks. But if you've never added vinegar to dish soap before, you should definitely give it a try. These two ingredients make a very powerful cleaning agent that you can use in both the kitchen and bathroom. Hello friends, nice to see you on the Home Tips channel. Today I want to tell you why you should mix dish soap with vinegar. You can use any dish soap. For example, you bought some, but it's too liquid and doesn't clean the dishes well. I will use this green dish soap with apple flavor. There is half a bottle left. I poured out the other half and added baking soda solution to it. You can see how to make it by clicking on the tip in the top right corner, and I will leave a link to the video in the description. I'm going to add vinegar to this bottle now. This mixture is also very effective, so I want to share the recipe with you. Look, if your bottle is full, take an empty dish soap bottle and pour half of the detergent into it. If you don't have an empty bottle, pour the dish soap into any plastic container. Then when you run out of the detergent we are about to mix, you can use the other half. I take regular dish soap. I have half a bottle here. I fill it almost to the top with plain white vinegar. I close the lid and carefully turn the bottle upside down a few times. Don't shake the bottle too much, otherwise the mixture will start foaming. You can use this product to wash dishes, especially if you have hard water and a white residue remains on the dishes after washing. Vinegar is an acid, so it will easily dissolve limescale and remove hard water stains. This mixture also breaks down grease well, so you can use it to clean pans, especially the inside edges where grease tends to accumulate. This mixture also neutralizes odors well, making it easy to clean cutting boards and plastic containers. By the way, this product foams well because vinegar softens the water, so if you've bought dish soap and it doesn't foam well, add some vinegar. Let me show you two glasses as an example. On this glass you can see how many dry drops of water there are. This means that after each wash, when the glass dries, a residue remains on it, and over time this residue accumulates. If you wash your dishes with this solution, it will remove the dried water droplets each time, preventing them from accumulating. As a result, you will always have clean, shiny dishes free of residue. Grease and burned-on food on a glass baking dish, if you missed something and didn't clean it the first time, will become increasingly difficult to remove with each use. If you have a similar glass dish, apply a small amount of the cleaner to a damp sponge, lather it up, and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I use the rough side of a sponge to scrape off the burnt-on food. It comes off pretty quickly. If you can't remove it, give the product some more time to work. Look, the glass baking dish has been thoroughly cleaned. The glass is clear again, and there is no more carbon deposits or cloudiness. This mixture is also suitable for cleaning the kitchen sink. It works in two ways, removing water deposits and dissolving grease around the drain. First, wet the sink with water. Then pour the mixture in and spread it with a sponge. If there are particular dirty areas on the sink, most often the drain, Apply cloths soaked in the cleaner to them. I let them sit for 5 minutes. If you try to keep your sink clean and wash it regularly, that will be enough. I finish cleaning the drain with a brush. I clean the sink itself again with a sponge. And rinse it with water. No harsh chemicals, the sink sparkles and shines. The drain is clean. And there is no limescale buildup on the sink walls. So definitely try cleaning it with this product. This product will also easily remove limescale, yellowing and soap scum from your bathtub. Rinse the bathtub with water, apply the product and spread it with a sponge. After 5 minutes, wipe the bathtub with the soft side of the sponge. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale and the dish soap will remove soap residue. As a result, the bathtub surface will become smooth and shiny. Please remember that this mixture cannot be used on marble, natural stone, aluminum or untreated wood. Share your cleaning hacks with this product in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective home hacks. Thanks everyone for watching, see you in the next video.